time is the ultimate architect of history, but also its quietest thief. Every day, its influence erodes a part of our shared human story. So we fight to remember, from clay to ink to film. Now, history lives in 360. Introducing Project Eternal, a mission by Antigravity and Insta360 to preserve our world in the digital realm. From the corridors of Pompeii to the cliffs of Civita di Bagnoregio, we take flight. One pass, infinite angles. Every crack, every wall, every building, all captured in a single breath. Powered by 3D Gaussian Splatting, we do more than record. We infuse spaces with new life. The physical world is transformed into constellations of light, creating a living 3D model, a vision of the present, freed from the constraints of time. This time capsule gives future generations of researchers, explorers, and visitors the chance to connect with our heritage firsthand and learn from it in remarkable new ways. This is technology built for legacy. This is technology built for everyone. So join the movement, capture the world around you, and together we'll create a digital chronicle that will stand eternal.